Okay, let's talk iPhone 17. Apple's next big drop is almost here. And while everyone's buzzing about the design and features, the real jaw-dropper this year is the price tag. And trust me, some of these numbers are going to sting. First, the good part. If you're just looking for the regular iPhone 17, the base model, you're safe. Apple's not changing much here. It's expected to start at the same price as the iPhone 16, around $799. Simple, familiar, and honestly, probably the best option for anyone who just wants a fresh iPhone without spending a fortune. But then Apple had to spice things up. Enter the brand new iPhone 17 Air. Sounds fancy, right? It's thinner, lighter, more stylish. Basically Apple's way of saying, look how pretty this is. But here's the kicker. That beauty comes with a brutal price. The Air could start at around $1,099. And that's just for the base storage. Go higher, and it gets ridiculous. So yeah, it'll look sleek in your hand, but your wallet? Not so much. Now, let's head into Pro territory, because this is where Apple really flexes. The iPhone 17 Pro might start just over $1,000, and the Pro Max? Buckle up. Rumors say it could become the most expensive iPhone Apple has ever sold. We're talking as high as $1,600 if you max out the storage. That's not even phone money anymore. That's MacBook money. So, why would anyone pay that? Apple knows their audience. The Pro models are expected to pack the new A19 Pro chip, upgraded cameras with insane zoom, and a level of performance that's just, well, Apple. If you're a content creator, a tech junkie, or just someone who always wants the best iPhone possible, you'll probably be tempted, even if it hurts. Here's the real breakdown. The iPhone 17 is your no-nonsense upgrade. Affordable and reliable. The Air is thin and stylish, but might feel overpriced for what it offers. And the Pro/Pro Max? Absolute beasts, but only if you're willing to pay laptop-level prices. Apple's making a bold move. Prices are climbing higher than ever, but the demand? It's probably still going to be massive. Because let's face it, it's Apple. And when that new iPhone drops, people line up, no matter the cost. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.